Hey, welcome to the Farrah Salon. I'm
Very
Eddie.
nice to meet you, Eddie. My name is Michael Fink. Well, I'm here today because I wanted to learn how to groom my granddaughter's hair.
See this little contraption here?
Yes.
It's going to change your granddaughter's life.
Okay, let's see what it does.
So you pick 5 different heat settings depending on how much heat you need.
Okay.
And you pick the way in which this rotates. The little comb brushes the hair against the barrel continuously, making it nice and shiny and polished.
Really?
And you just place the hair over the barrel and it does everything for you.
Oh my goodness.
And you just pick the rotation that you want, either forward or away, and it just curls the hair for you.
That's amazing.
Now, do you think that you can handle this?
I think so. Okay.
Isn't that fairly easy?
Very easy. Even I can do it.
Yeah. Are you ready to do it on your granddaughter now?
Takes a couple minutes, that's it. Easy. Hi, Rebecca. Oh, love you.
I love you too.
Okay, we sit down. I
Okay.
want to tell you, I got this great thing for you to try for your hair. And I don't know if you're going to like it or not, but I think you will.
Okay.
All right? There you go.
I love it. It looks so good. I'm very proud of him, yes.
I really did it. I tried.
It was really special because we got to do something together, and it was cool that I got a really nice hair makeover. Thank you for doing this. It was a great experience for me.
Well, I want to buy you one, so you're going to have it.